Thank you very much.
See you, brother. Thank you. This is the Juice Bar, one of my favourite restaurants. Hey, brother.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Catch you next time. So, this is Serenity. It's now dusk. And why wouldn't you want to come to Southeast Asia, man? It's the best place. It's so cheap to live here. The food's great. The people are great. The music's great. And it's just a great thing to do. You can get an online job, come into paradise, Southeast Asian paradise. The West is a mess, and that rhymes. Didn't mean it to, but it's much better here. People are so friendly, the food is so great, the weather is so great. Right now, it's like this every night. It's not hot and it's not cold. It's like 26 degrees now, which is around 82. So, hang on, about 82, something like that. Fahrenheit. So, yeah, I love it here. And I can only say, guys, get to Southeast Asia. It's just a great vibe. It's just much more upbeat. It's much more relaxed. There's no rules. Well, there is rules, but hardly any rules compared to the West. You never see cops. People 4 on a motorbike, 5 on a motorbike. Half the time no helmets. And it's just great. It's free. It's just wonderful. So I can go surfing in the night time even. It's perfection. Everyone's got their selfies and cameras and all that right now. As you can see, it's selfies, 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 selfies. Ah, Port Adelaide guy. Hello. So you can see, super friendly. Hey, Port Adelaide man.
Sorry?
Port Adelaide.
Adelaide, yeah.
Yeah, Port Adelaide. That's my team.
Your team?
Yeah, mate.
Number 20.
Oh, number 20.
Yes.
Yeah, good player. Look at that place. It's just perfect here, man. Doesn't matter if you're in Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. I don't know about Cambodia. Heard it's just too hot there. But it's the place to be, guys. I don't think the West is the place to be anymore. It's too woke. And even people say, well, Trump's going to change that. But yeah, right. For a few years. And then the other side gets back in. So no, mate, it's not the place to be. It's, the people here are 10,000 times better than the average Western person. I'm not saying all Western people are bad, don't get me wrong, but it's a toxic atmosphere. It's so regulated in the West. We saw what happened a few years ago, a couple of years ago. No, not for me. It's like going into Star Lake 13 when I go back to Australia. I want freedom, and this is what this place gives you, Southeast Asia. Freedom, happiness. Dogs everywhere here running around, playing. families galore, all happy, all smiles. It's just perfection. So down there, Canggu, all those lights down there, but we might go back this way. It's my daily exercise is a walk along the beach and stretching. That's it. Not into the weights, not into yoga or Pilates or jogging, anything. Just walk and swim now and again and stretch. You need to stretch when you're getting older because your muscles do tighten up. No doubt about it. But sunset just happened then. But it's just such a relaxed atmosphere. I gave up drinking about 6 months ago because, oh man, it's just so relaxing here. There's just no desire to drink because I'm so relaxed. It's like I don't need to get any more relaxed. Look at that, fireworks in the distance there. There we go. Fireworks in the distance. Every night they have fireworks. But yeah, even in social situations, you know, sometimes you need a couple of drinks to loosen up, especially if you don't know. Look at all the dogs over there. It's 1, 2, the one behind there's 3 of them. Especially when you don't know people and you meet them for the first time. You want to drink. Now that I don't even do that anymore. I'm just that relaxed. So that's what it's like, and that's what you want to be. That's the highest thing you can hope to have is serenity, and that's what I got, and you can too. Maybe you're already here in Southeast Asia, I don't know, but dog's got a branch in his mouth. But yeah, I'm loving it, man. Oh man, the water is warm. I'm feeling the water right now. It's warm. Look at that. There's a camera stand there. I don't know who left that there. Camera stand? Oh, it might be those guys over there. These are Instagram models, I reckon. A lot of these gals. They come here at sunset every day. All these Instagram models. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, fireworks. It's only just gone. This goes all night. Right? Still at 10 o'clock at night, they're still doing that. They might have it over here or there or way over there. Just every night's the same. Got great bands over there. Some of these restaurants have bands. That one's got a band. That one doesn't. That's just beat music or house music, whatever they call it. And yeah, that one doesn't. That one doesn't. Used to, that one. And there's one, maybe 2 up here. It's about probably 15 restaurants all up. From there, all the way to that monument down there. Probably about 15. I'd say 2 or 3 have bands. I love that fire there on the beach. It's fantastic. There we go, nice fire there. Look at the fireworks, still going. Still going. There we go, look at that. Beautiful. Loving it. Look how cool it is, man. Wow, great fireworks. That's the best one there, La Plancha. That restaurant there. It's got a top up the top there, and you got the restaurant inside. Then you got hundreds of bean bags. There's probably 300 bean bags there. So it's very, very popular, that one. La Plancha. The weather, I tell you, it's just perfection. It's just not hot, not cold. It's just perfection. More fireworks. Loving it. Yeah, there's actually three bands. One down there, one here, and one just up here. Oh, look at these Bali dancers. Ah, five. Got fives and all that. Fire dancers. Hello. Hey guys. I might come back and look at the fire dancers. This is a great place for a date, I tell you. I've had a few here, and it's just so relaxing on the bean bags, eating your dinner, having a cool drink, a nice cold coconut. There's a bat. Anyway, I might end it there. Thought I'd show you what it's like here. Well, the fireworks are still going down there. It's amazing. So they periodically go off all night to about 10 o'clock every night. So they love their fireworks. Alright, thanks guys. Thumbs up.